This video is to show you how to change the batteries in your Midland Emergency Weather Radio. It's that season around here. Storms are hitting. These things are great. They give you all the warnings and advisories that you need. You can actually plug it into the wall, which keeps this thing powered. But as you know, when the storms hit, sometimes electric goes out and you're going to need the battery back up. It's real simple to do. You're just going to take your fingers right here, follow that arrow, push up to remove the battery door. I like to use a little screwdriver to pop these old batteries out, just like so. And we're going to put our new batteries in. Trick is to make sure the negative terminal of the battery is always facing the spring that's in there, just like that. Put the battery door back on by sliding it right back into place. Snaps in, flip it over, and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.